Welcome to MadhavaRaoPatta YouTube channel. Hi, I am MadhavaRaoPatta. I am an embedded systems and automotive software engineer with 10 years of industrial experience. Uh, Today, I would like to discuss about the what is an embedded systems. Okay, if you want to the more content related to education related like embedded systems, you can go through my channel. This is the channel is dedicated to helping the students and the professionals build the successful career in the embedded systems and automotive software. On this channel, you will find embedded C programming, microcontroller, CAN FT, UDS, bootloader development, AUTOSAR, automotive cybersecurity, and embedded system projects, interview preparation, and career guidelines, and engineering productivity and learning. Actually, this is the main agenda of this channel. The main agenda is the YouTube channel. This YouTube channel is below, like technical content and a career and a personal journey. In the technical content, we can learn embedded systems, the embedded C and automotive and practical projects. In career growth, in career session, um, you can learn growth in the embedded systems, how to second one is how to become an embedded engineer and a roadmap for the freshers, interview preparation, interview questions, and top companies hiring. That post also you can find. In personal journey, like which books I need to we need to learn, we need to read to learn this embedded systems, how to balance the job and learning, personal and professional topics, and financial tips, and to journey towards the financial independent. This is the main agenda of this YouTube channel. You can in this YouTube channel you can find technical content, career, and personal journeys. Okay. Along with this technical content, I will also share my personal journey of the building the multiple income streams, investing, and working towards the financial freedom through the education, technology, and entrepreneurship. Whether you are a beginner or engineering student or experienced professional, you will find practical tutorials, real world examples, and career insights to help you grow. The main mission of this YouTube channel is like to make the embedded system learning simply, practically, and accessibly for everyone. If you are a passionate about technology and continuous learning, subscribe and join our community, then we can grow together.